This beef pasta or spaghetti is a must try. Hi, my food lovers. Welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, we are making this delicious beef pasta. Into a pan, go in with your batter. This batter is salted. We want to allow the batter to melt, and then we go in with our properly washed beef, shredded beef like this. You are going to spread this very well, and then you make sure that everything is just well put in the pan just as you see. Now that we've done this, we are going to be going ahead to add our ginger, garlic, and onion blends. Now add a generous amount because you want this to be flavorful. Yes, so add enough. Now we want to go in with our beef seasoning just as you can see, and then we add our salt. If you have any spice of your choice that you use anytime you make your beef or you season your beef, you can go ahead and use that, but you can be minimal just as you see. Now we are going to mix everything together, and note the stove is heated, it's on fire, so we are going to mix everything together just like this, and we'll cover it and allow it to cook until it becomes pale like this. So now it produces its own juice. The juice is going to help this to become soft and tender. So we are cooking this until everything gets off it. Let's say the water and the juice, everything. So you can see it keep reducing, and this is how it's supposed to be. We'll mix this very well, and now we have to allow this to fry for some time. While we are at it, let's just put our pasta or spaghetti in our boiling water. Let's come back to our beef. You can see right here that the water and everything is done, and what it's doing here is frying. So it will fry a little to golden brown, not too golden brown, but just a little. Now add your vegetables of choice. Carrot is very hard, so we are going in with carrot first, and then you add your onions for flavor. If you like a lot of onions or you love a lot of onions, go ahead and use that. Now we are adding our green, red, and yellow bell peppers. Like I always say, if you have any vegetable of your choice, anyone you prefer, and your pasta or whatever, go ahead and use that. You want to mix everything very well. You do not want your vegetables to be cooked to be very, very soft. We still want some crunchiness. So if you mix everything well like this, by then your pasta might have been done. You have strained the water, and then you should be ready to introduce the pasta into this colorful mixture. Okay, just like this, introduce it into it, and you can see that everything is looking good and very, very colorful. Okay, yes. Now that we have this, just spread these two very well so that when you introduce any other thing, it can fit in. So we are going to mix some oyster sauce with some soy sauce together in a bowl, and we put it on it. Just put it until you get your desired color you want, and make sure you mix this very well. That is what we want to achieve here. We want to add some powdered pepper for some extra heat, just as you can see. However, if you do not want to use powdered pepper and you want to go in with any chili pepper, okay, chili sauce or whatever, you can add it to it, which is perfectly okay. Make sure you introduce the pepper to suit your preference, and you are good to go. Now we are bringing everything to a good mix, and you should use your spatula, two spatulas to do this, because you do not want to break your pasta into smaller pieces. So just do gently as you can see here until everything is properly mixed. In case you would need more of this oyster sauce and soy sauce mix, just introduce a little, but make sure you introduce it after you have properly mixed and you realize you needed more. We have some green pea too that we will be introducing. This is optional, but it also adds to the beautiful color, and I like how it tastes, honestly. So we will introduce that, and if you have spring onions, you can as well introduce it to this, and you can see our pasta is so juicy. Yes, juicy. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section and I would respond to them. Also, if you want to know more about how to make local dishes and the rest, you can look at my playlist as well. And if you don't know, I am known for my ice cream recipes. I also have them on my playlist as well, so do want to check it out. And I hope that you love this video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, I want to leave you to really enjoy this. Take your time to make it at home, and trust me, you are not going to regret that. Well, before you put your pasta into your water, make sure you have added salt, enough to your water before you add your pasta to cook it very well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe and do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. They will be linked in the description. Bye for now.